First, let's marinate our chicken. Onion, bell pepper, salt and pepper, chili, garlic powder, and some coriander seed. We need same size chicken tender. Yogurt, olive oil, lemon, and saffron. Chill at least 3 hours. Skewers soak in water. Tomato puree for the sauce, and add your rice to the boiling water. We need half-cooked rice. For the crispy bottom, add oil, some saffron, and your potatoes. And then add your half-cooked rice on top and let it cook. Assemble your chicken. Follow the method. Bake at 200 degrees. Keep your eye on it. For the sauce, your marinade plus a tomato puree. Brush butter while it's baking. Help you to have a juicy chicken. The butter mixture is saffron, butter, and lemon. Like this.